The winter session of the Parliament is set to begin today with a total of 19 sittings scheduled until December 20th. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also address the nation ahead of the session at 10 a.m. The opposition, in fact, has called for discussions on serious issues, including US prosecutors' bribery charges against the Adani Group and the ongoing violence in Manipur. The centre has also listed 16 bills for consideration during the session, including the Waqf Amendment Bill and the Waqf Repeal Bill. Now, other significant bills include the Merchant Shipping Bill, the Coastal Shipping Bill, and the Disaster Management Amendment Bill. Viewers, I'd like to bring in my colleague Riyanka, who is joining us live from Vijay Chowk. Riyanka, take us through what is likely to be the main agenda as the winter session really begins today.
Well, yes, the winter session of the Parliament begins today, and this will see the start with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's address at around 10 a.m., which happens at every session in the beginning. It is the Prime Minister's address calling for proper discussions in the Parliament during the hearing of the session. Now, there are 16 bills that have been listed by the centre that needs to be discussed in the Parliament this time, and the ones that will be the most of the highlight includes the Waqf Amendment Bill. Also, there are other such legislations that are kept in consideration during this very Parliament. But when it comes to the opposition, there are several other issues that the opposition wants to corner the government on. The bribery charges against Gautam Adani, which he had been indicted by the US. On the other hand, the opposition is planning to corner the government in terms of the Manipur crisis. Also, there are likely to be discussions from the side of the centre regarding the win in Maharashtra. Also, there are going to be discussions when it comes to the Waqf Amendment Bill, which will be getting the main focus because, when this bill was listed and this bill had come out, there was a ruckus in the Parliament in the previous sessions. When the bill is set to be passed, we know that Home Minister Amit Shah had in fact gone ahead and clearly mentioned the fact that the winter session, the Waqf Amendment Bill will be passed by the government, and here it is quite possible that the opposition will once again create a ruckus and corner the government in this term. So we are waiting to see what happens in the Parliament today when it begins at around 11 with the Prime Minister Modi's address at 10 a.m. All eyes will be on the winter session.
Riyanka, also, as I understand, on Sunday, there was a meeting that was convened by Kiren Rijiju. Now, some of the parties had not participated in it, so how is that likely to play out, really, in terms of the political landscape, if we were to speak about it?
That's right. Kiren Rijiju, in fact, had, chaired an all-party meeting yesterday, which was, in fact, not being attended by several of the opposition parties. And this is something that is seen in the light of how the winter session is going to proceed from here, given that the opposition has already gone ahead and cornered the government when there was absence of the parties in the all-party meeting that was called a day before the Parliament session begins. From here, we can already see how the opposition constantly goes ahead and corners the government in every session of the Parliament, and there is no smooth running of the House. On the other hand, it is the government, and of course we are expected to hear the same from Prime Minister Modi this morning, appealing the opposition to come and have proper discussions and not create ruckus in the House.
That's right, Riyanka. Thank you for those details. We will be getting back to you through the day as the Parliament session for the winter session really begins. Now, as the winter session of the Parliament begins today with a crucial meeting of the political leaders scheduled to set the tone really for the upcoming discussions, while the government looks into the Waqf opposition, is also gearing up to raise pressing issues, including the ongoing ethnic violence in Manipur. In fact, several of the important bills are on the agenda, including the potential introduction of the One Nation, One Election proposal. Watch this report for all the details.